Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I made this deep conditioner for my 4C hair using 𝐶𝐈𝐘. If you are interested in this, just keep watching. When you buy your 𝐶𝐈𝐘, it comes with some salt on it, so you have to make sure you wash it properly. I will be taking my time to wash it for about 3 times. After washing the 𝐶𝐈𝐘, I soak it overnight and I make sure the water covers it so well. In the morning, you will see that the 𝐶𝐈𝐘 has expanded in size. Right now, I am thinking if I should divide the 𝐶𝐈𝐘 into 2 parts and store one in the freezer, but I will be making use of it all. So right now, I will transfer it to my cooking pan and pour in some water for it to cook.
To the start, I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far.
I will be adding some butter and a fire to it. The reason for adding this ingredient is because my hair is dry at this moment, so I needed something that will bring back moisture to my hair and also what will help me in detangling my 4C hair. That is why I added a fire to it.
And me, I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head, you are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my, I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head, you are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. What you think?
I will now blend the 𝐶𝐈𝐘 and use my cheese glue to strain it. I just want to get a pure blended 𝐶𝐈𝐘 without any unblended ones.
Your fingers tell me so, cause you're in my head. You.
So right here, I will combine the oil and the 𝐶𝐈𝐘 together and use my hand mixer and mix them together.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head, you are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my, what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my, what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my, you're the love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy.
I will be dividing it into 2 parts and store one in the freezer. I did not add any preservative in it. So once I'm done with that part, I will now start applying it on my dry 4C hair.
But I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever 'Cause you're in my own story, where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer, we can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up at 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my...
After applying it, I will cover it with my plastic hair cap and leave it on my hair for about 1 hour before washing it out. Lest I forget, if this is your first time of coming across my video, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Subscription is free, you pay nothing to do that. And please do not forget to turn on your post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will be ending it here. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye.
'Cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my